Are you ready to take your car maintenance game to the next level? Changing your own oil is not only a money-saving task, but it's also a great way to understand your vehicle and ensure it's running at its best. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your oil. Gather your tools. You will need an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, a new oil filter, and the correct oil for your car's make and model. Also, you'll need a jack or ramp to lift the vehicle, a torque wrench to tighten the drain plug, and a funnel to pour the oil. Locate the oil filter and oil pan. Refer to your car's owner manual to find the location of the oil filter and oil pan. It's important to locate these parts before you begin, as the location may vary depending on your car's make and model. Drain the old oil. Place the drain pan underneath the oil pan and use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil drain plug. Be careful as the oil will be hot. Allow the oil to drain completely. Keep the drain plug and the oil filter, you'll need them later. Replace the oil filter. Use the oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one. Make sure you use the correct filter for your car's make and model. Add new oil. Refer to your car's owner manual for the correct amount of oil needed. Slowly pour the new oil into the oil filler neck using a funnel. Check for leaks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter and oil drain plug. If you notice any leaks, shut off the engine and investigate the cause. Dispose of the old oil. Properly dispose of the old oil at a designated recycling center. Do not pour it down the drain or on the ground. Check the oil level. Use the dipstick to check the oil level. Make sure that it's at the correct level and add more oil if necessary. Tighten the drain plug. Use a torque wrench to tighten the drain plug to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Changing your own oil is a great way to save money and take care of your car. Gather your tools. Locate the oil filter and oil pan. Drain the old oil. Replace the oil filter. Add new oil. Check for leaks. Properly dispose of the old oil. Check the oil level, and tighten the drain plug to the manufacturer's recommended torque. With these steps and the right tools and knowledge, you can ensure that your car is running smoothly and efficiently. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to give your car the best care.